back, everyone. You may be having some issues within FaceTime, or for some reason the phone numbers are just not showing up in FaceTime properly. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons. The first thing I would recommend doing, and the easiest way to go ahead and fix this, is to make your way over to your settings application like this. You then want to scroll down until you see FaceTime, which is right here. You want to go and click on it, and all you want to do right here where it says FaceTime is to disable FaceTime. This is by far one of the easiest ways to go ahead and fix this problem. And anytime I've had this issue, all I had to do was disable this specific option, go ahead and re-enable it, and a majority of the time that will go ahead and fix it, at least for me. So if you have this issue, go ahead and disable FaceTime, so toggle that off, go ahead and toggle it back on, and at that point what you may have to do is power off and power on your device. So you can go and hold the volume up button and the power button just like this. You want to turn the power off that phone. At that point you can go ahead and turn it back on by holding the power button. And that should be able to, you can just go back into FaceTime, and that should be able to, lead you into fixing this for the most part. Now, let's say that doesn't end up working. Well, the next thing I'd recommend doing is hopping inside of your settings application, go back into here. You then want to go ahead and scroll down into General, which is right there. You then want to click on Software Update. And what you want to do here is you want to go ahead and update your phone on the most recent version of software possible. Now you can see right here I do have an update available, so all you'll have to do is go ahead and click Install Now. You may have to plug your phone in like I do, and you should be able to install the latest update that you have. And like I mentioned, for a majority of people out there, all you have to do is go and click Install Now, and you should be up to date on the most recent version of iOS as well. And then what you want to do is go back into FaceTime. You want to go ahead and try FaceTiming again, and that may end up fixing it for you too. So those are a couple different ways to go ahead and fix it. If you have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section as well. Hit the like button, that means so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.